years, this issue has been silent. So, and in my calculation, I have seen that this election is also very near. So I think my dream for getting this 2.5 years, I think will not be materialized. I thought, okay, let him continue. I will concentrate to work for my people to prepare for the election. But as I have said, once the directive came from party that you have to take over, so I have to abide. If it is only 1.5 years also, there is no matter. If you really work sincerely, within 1 year also we can do so many things. Provided if you are sincere, you have a heart to work from the bottom of your heart to devote most of your time, your energy, mentally and physically for the interest of the people, then 1 year is enough. But if you have other option where you spend your time in other things, to all the pending issues, all these things will be getting stagnant day by day. No, it should not be there. We have to have that spirit as taught by the constitution of the party that we should be Narendra Modi group. That too, you see, election, even everybody have a right to contest if the time comes, to contest, to file the nomination. So it depends on the majority to elect the president. It depends on the party high command. As a member also, once you have joined the party, you have to work sincerely. Even as a member, I remember myself when I was very young, as a mere member of the HPU also, I worked more than MLA. 24 hours I work. And in 1988, we have created a record in Laban constituency that late Bantulingda was elected because due to our hard work as the first Khasi MLA representing the then 22nd Laban constituency. As a mere, I have not even enrolled officially in the paper, like that only. As a resident of the constituency, I walk 24 hours, and he won, and we create a record. So like this will be example for everybody, not to think for their personal interest. You have to think for the interest of the party, for the public, for the public, for the state. Otherwise, if this trend continues, they will not grow. We'll get stagnant.